The Creality Falcon A1 Pro laser engraver features an intuitive touchscreen and app control, allowing for seamless, cable-free operation and real-time monitoring from anywhere. This laser engraver achieves remarkable speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, making it 3 times faster than its competitors, with robust safety measures like dual protective covers and an emergency stop. Equipped with a powerful 20-watt blue laser, the Falcon A1 Pro can cut through 10mm basswood and 8mm black acrylic, while an optional 2-watt infrared module offers exceptional fine engraving. A high-definition camera and advanced autofocus system ensure precise object positioning and flawless engravings, with automatic focusing achieved in just 3 seconds. Arriving 80% pre-assembled, the Falcon A1 Pro is user-friendly and perfect for both seasoned designers and small businesses, requiring minimal setup to start creating. The device is designed with a dedicated software, Falcon Design Space, which simplifies model selection, printing, and monitoring, making it accessible to users of all skill levels.